How to fix Clubhouse login problem. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you fix Clubhouse login issue. So first thing first, you want to ensure you're using the correct phone number and have a good internet. So when you open the Clubhouse app, it's going to actually ask you to type in your phone number and press the next button. As you do that, it's going to ask you to enter the code, and once you enter in the code, you should be logged into your account with some of the other information that will be needed. If the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is you might want to check your connection. So in some cases, it might be VPN or any sort of extension that you have on your device. So you want to make sure to disable that. And if the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is just go to the internet section, and you could just go ahead and make sure to switch between mobile data or mobile Wi-Fi. That should be also able to help you out. And meanwhile, if you are in the same page, you want to go to the app section, locate Clubhouse from the list. As you locate Clubhouse, you want to make sure to clear your storage and cache. That might also be able to help you out fix. So these are some of the ways to fix Clubhouse login problem. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.